Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you've never come across one of our videos before, or if you haven't looked at the channel before, what we do here is post earwax removal videos. We post new ones every Tuesday and every Friday. So if you have any questions about the video that you go out to watch, then pop them into the comment section below, and that way then the most popular questions we can answer at the end of the week. So enjoy the video, and I shall see you at the end. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our earwax removal compilation video today. So we have two patients in this compilation. The first patient here has come through with reduced hearing on one side, but is a sensation of feeling quite blocked up on the other. As we saw from the first shot, there's a tiny gap above this block of wax here. So what we're doing with this one is just lifting this drier wax up from the base of the canal to try and move it out in one piece if we possibly can. Because there's a little gap here, it hasn't really been reducing the hearing by too much, but the patient has been feeling there's something blocking that ear. So just loosening from the sides with the standard size ulnar tube first of all. Got a chunk coming away there, and just going to go in now for the second piece. Apologies for the videos being a little bit sporadic coming out the last couple of weeks. If you follow our Facebook page, you can see from there we're advertising for another member of staff to join our team here to give me a bit of a helping hand, because we're super busy at the moment. It doesn't leave me a great deal of time to edit the videos and get them up and everything. So if you can bear with me, I'll try and get them up as many as I can, as often as I can, but we may miss a couple of days here and there. So you can see that we've got a really deep piece of dry wax here sitting just in front of the eardrum. So we're just going to lift this bottom section here. There we go. You can see that's coming away nicely. So we check behind, a little bit of oil on the actual drum there. So this is the second ear. Quite a large dry chunk of wax in here as well. So just trying to get a good look at it, make sure there's nothing too untoward going on here, but it looks perfectly fine. So we're just going to lift the side away first of all. Now you can see there's quite an angular piece at the front end of this wax, lots of hair embedded in it as well. So I'm just going to try and break this front section away, so it leaves me a flatter surface to get a better suction grip on. It's not quite solid enough to get the forceps in here to grab hold of it. Sometimes if you've got that angular piece at the front, because you can't get the good suction grip, you'll go in with a forceps, grab it and take it away. But as you can see with this one, we're just breaking the front end away here first of all. There we go. That should leave us a flatter surface to work with, which it does behind. So we're just going to maneuver this back and forth. See if we can wiggle it out. There you go. It's on the move. Just wiggling to unstick it, move it down the canal. A little bit broke away, so just going to get the rest of it now. There it is. And you can see there's a little bit left in here, so we're just going to go and grab that piece as well. There we are, just working on the sides, lifting from the bottom. You can see it's quite firmly wedged deep in that canal. A little piece just broke away, so we're just going to go and get the next section. There we go, just starting to see the top end moving a little bit. You can see how deep this piece is. If we can unstick this right side, we will probably be able to get this out in one piece. There you go, you can see it just starting to lift to the right side. There you go. Just give it a bit of a wiggle, and out he comes. Just check behind that now. There we are, you can see some oil on that eardrum as well. But all nice and clear now for this patient. This is what we removed. So you can see 5.5 centimeters there. This is in inches, so 2.25 inches, I would say, thereabouts. So this is our second patient in the compilation. So this patient's come through with reduced hearing on one side. What you can see here is a very sticky type of wax. So we're going to use the suction tube first of all, because sometimes even with sticky wax it will stay together quite nicely, so we can sometimes take the whole thing out in one chunk. So we're just going to grip on it with the suction tube. The key to the sticky type of wax, like this type of sticky stretchy wax, is to try and get as much of it off the canal wall as you can first, so you're more likely to get a larger center section away. So just trying to lift, but as you can see, as we're lifting this wax, it's just stretching rather than unsticking, so it's really kind of pliable, thick wax. I'm not going to compare it to a food stuff because everyone keeps saying I put them off different types of foods. So it's just really sticky, thick wax. You can see we're wiggling it back and forth, but that's all we're doing is just pulling, stretching the wax. It's not really detaching from the canal wall at all. So just trying to see if we can get any movement to this, but just really thick, sticky stuff. So what I've done, I've popped a little bit of olive oil in in here, which helps to reduce the stickiness. We personally use an olive oil called Earol. There's a link to that from Amazon down below if you're interested. But what we're doing here is just getting a grip on this wax and see how quickly now it's moving. Do you see how easy that is to come away compared to how it was a second ago? It just breaks that adhesion, breaks the stickiness, and allows it to come out a lot more easily. And there's the eardrum there looking nice and shiny. This is what we removed, so you can see this nugget of wax here. It's about a centimetre and a half, half an inch. There we go. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.